Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick guess what's in the box video. This is an item I picked up from eBay for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner Limited 4x4. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, so before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is another item that I picked up from eBay. I got those 4 bags right there left, and this one, as well as there's going to be another 4 or 5 items showing up that I'm going to be doing on videos on for you guys. This is going to be just the guess what's in the box video. So this is a pretty large box, but it's pretty light. This might have the sensors in it, or switches. I can't remember. I ordered a lot of things from eBay for this newer limited 4Runner, but we're just going to go over the box dimensions. Box is 11 inches and 1/4 of an inch, or 1/4 of an inch long, by 8 inches and 3/4 of an inch wide, and it is 5 inches and 3/4 of an inch deep. What do you guys think is in this box? I got quite a bit of stuff here. So I have, this feels like a sensor or a switch. This feels like a switch. This is pretty heavy. This feels like wiring. This feels like maybe Sirius XM radio maybe. So this might be door handles, or might be ECT, not the ECT switch, but maybe the E-locker switch, and maybe a couple other items in here. I don't remember, to be honest, you know, because of how much was ordered, but I just knew that a bunch of stuff was being delivered today. What do you guys think it is? It is for the 2000 4Runner, which might be kind of confusing on the channel. All of this stuff is for the limited, not the SR5. But, you know, you guys leave comments. What do you think it is? You know, I like doing these videos. They're kind of fun for me. You know, there's a lot of people in the channel that come to the channel that don't like these videos, which is fine. You guys don't have to watch them. But that's all I got for you guys today. We'll do another video. We're going to open it up, reveal what it is, talk about it, and go over it. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And all of this stuff showed up on August 4th, 21. Today is August 4th. It's a Wednesday. So, if you guys wonder why you guys see this like 9 months later, it was pre-recorded and way in advance. But I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!